This video is an introduction to using the UKCEH Countryside Survey vegetation datasets. There are 3 ways of accessing this data, and we will show you what each has to offer. You can also use the chapters or the timestamps in the description below to navigate the video. The UKCEH Countryside Survey is the longest integrated national monitoring programme of the countryside for Great Britain. Vegetation surveys have been carried out in 1978, 1990, 1998, 2007 and now continue as a 5-yearly rolling survey from 2019 onwards. The high-resolution datasets reveal how vegetation and the common flora that we see and value in our landscape have altered over time. By revisiting the same locations and taking the same measurements, we gather evidence of how drivers, such as climate change, policy interventions, such as the Clean Air Act, and agri-environment schemes have impacted our natural environment. For the future, the UKCEH Countryside Survey will help to inform strategies for net zero. The survey is carried out across 525 1-kilometre squares, which have been selected to capture a representative sample of the wide variety of vegetation and conditions across GB. Within each of these 1-kilometre squares, we have 5 randomly located vegetation sampling sites, which are co-located with our soil monitoring programme and that we revisit every survey. From these sites, we record all plants in either a 200-metre squared area or a 2 by 2 metre squared area in order to measure plant diversity. This design provides a robust and representative insight into plants and vegetation across a wide range of habitats and conditions and how they change over time. The Countryside Survey vegetation data is freely available and can be accessed and used through 3 principal methods. 1. For the best and most up-to-date information on accessing Countryside Survey data, you can visit the UKCEH Countryside Survey website at countrysidesurvey.org.uk. 2. Downloading the full dataset from the EIDC. And 3. Viewing the data through the Plant Diversity Trend Tracker. Option 1. The UKCEH Countryside Survey website is a central source of information to learn more about the mission, design and history of the Countryside Survey, as well as for accessing Countryside Survey data. To start, navigate to countrysidesurvey.org.uk or Google Countryside Survey to find our website. On our website, you can learn more about the current survey programme, the different components of the survey programme, including the soil and vegetation survey programmes. Find our datasets, web tools, and access our publications, including all technical reports about the survey design and methods used. You can also access the Survey Veg data paper, which explains the history and methodology of recording vegetation in the Countryside Survey in detail. Go to the Survey Data section of our website and scroll down to find the link as shown. Option 2. Downloading the full quality-controlled dataset from the Countryside Survey on the EIDC. If you want access to the full dataset for investigation and analysis, the full history of the Countryside Survey dataset can be downloaded for free from the EIDC. You can also access this page directly through the links on the Countryside Survey website. Click on Find Data and search Countryside Survey. Open the Countryside Survey data collection to see all available years. Select the year of survey you're interested in or go straight to the vegetation data. You can find vegetation plot data for every survey year. To download the data from the EIDC, scroll down and click the download button of the dataset you want. This provides you with a CSV file and the supporting documentation which explains what the table headings mean. There is also a Cite As, should you want to use the data. Option 3. Explore the Plant Diversity Trend Tracker. The Plant Diversity Trend Tracker is an easy way to visualize changes in plant diversity in the raw, quality-controlled data. You can access the Trend Tracker through the Countryside Survey website. Go to CS Science, CS Vegetation and Plants, then scroll down to see all our tools. Going into the Trend Tracker, you can choose the options you'd like to explore on the right-hand side, such as the plot size and plant functional group. You can then download the data that is being viewed as a CSV via the Download Table button. We hope you've been able to find the data you need. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact Countryside Survey at ceh.ac.uk. Explore our other training videos here on our YouTube channel.